Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the lateral bracing of steel structure, and we have a 2D frame like this. So before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and if you like this video, please put a thumb up as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you the apply loads first. So we have a super dead load, and we have the roof fly load, we have the wind load, and I already run the structural analysis. So next I'm going to perform the steel design, and you can see the result here, and I'm going to show you the ratio. All the member fail, so I'm going to start with the rafter here. And to apply the lateral bracing, you can right click on the member and go to override and change the value of the unbraced length ratio here for the minor axis, and for the LTB option here. But I'm not going to apply the lateral bracing this way. We have another way. We can select the rafter and we go to design, steel frame design, and we select the lateral bracing. Next we need to go to user specify and specify point bracing. So now you need to set the location of the lateral bracing. So I'm going to add 3 lateral bracing for this rafter, and for brace type I will select all the location here as top, and I will change this to 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75. Okay, and next we can run the structural design again. You can see that the ratio is still big. Now when we add only the top brace here, the bottom flank of the rafter will need to resist the buckling effects. So I will change the first location here to all, and okay. So now you can see that the design is okay. But keep in mind that if you select the brace type to all here, you need to brace the you need to brace the top and the bottom flank of the steel structure, and you can use this type of bracing. So we have the fly brace that connect the bottom flank to the purlin here. Next we can apply the lateral bracing for the column, and I will use this one, and we can do the same. So specify point bracing. I will add the middle point of the column here, and then add another one here. So 0.5 and 0.75, and I will select this to all. Okay, and then we can run it again. So now the column also passed the design. So this is how you can apply the lateral bracing, and you can check the design here. Go to detail, and you can check the minor bending here. The unbraced length factor here is equal to 0.5, and you can compare with this one. here. And next one, you can go to override and check here. So this value automatically apply when we use the lateral bracing option here. This is just a small example, and I hope you guys can apply to your own project. So thank you so much for watching. I see you guys in the next video.